Get Writing Now for Kids, a creative writing experience. 6-word stories, part 4. 6-word stories for Halloween. Welcome back, everyone. Are you ready for Halloween? Well, of course you're not. You haven't written your Halloween 6-word story yet. Pen and paper ready? Before we start, if this is the first video of mine you've seen on 6-word stories, you might want to start with the one linked above. Otherwise, onwards into the darkness. The whole purpose of today's episode is to have fun. Scares. No, fun. And a lot of 6-word stories. So, what is horror? Suspense? Scares? Impossible creatures? Well, all of those and more. Obviously, with only 6 words, it's going to be a suggestion of horror, so it'll be primarily a fear of the unknown we're going for. How do we do that? Stopping halfway through the action is one way, so that you want to know what happens next, which is easy enough with only 6 words, as we discovered in part 1 of this series. The door opened all by itself. A face appeared through the fog. It brushed against my wrist twice. Describing one thing about a creature might be another way, so that we can imagine the rest. Its skin dripped from its jowls. The eye peered around the corner. He counted 10 arms at least. Noises can be spooky too, especially at night. Sad whispers hung in the air. Thump, breath, thump, step, thump, scream. Fingernail scratches screeched down the wall. Your own, or your character's, feelings and actions can also be used to indicate fear. Fear grips my feet, glued solid. Teeth gritted, I slowly turn around. Cannot force my eyes to open. And running is always a good indication of something scary. Count to 3, then run. Fast. First rule of escape. Don't wait. They are faster. I am stronger. But don't forget, Halloween doesn't have to be scary. It can be cute, funny, and any number of other things. Candy treats, favourite sweets, smiling greets. Best Costume Award, pride of place. Couldn't get pumpkin off her head. Costumed, he walked like a penguin. No more pumpkin, skin turning orange. Only costume left. Just too embarrassing. Over to you. Scare us or make us smile. The choice is yours. As before, if you'd like us all to read your story, please put it in the comments below. And remember, this is a Be Nice channel, Even if you don't want to post your story, and there's no obligation to do so, let me know if you found this video useful. If you enjoyed this video about 6-word stories for Halloween, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and press that notifications bell. Next week, we'll be starting on a new topic. Make sure you don't miss it.